good, eh? Yeah, there you go. Chef Ashraf from the Atrium Restaurant here in Travelodge Ipoh. Chef, you're going to make Wat Tan Hor.
Wat Tan Hor, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, and I want to ask you some questions about how you do it. First of all, you're using 2 types of noodles.
Yes.
Okay, sure. This is a Ipoh Hor Fun. Ipoh rice noodles, always very delicate. And this is a bihun, right?
Yeah, bihun.
It's a rice sticks or vermicelli. Also very fine compared to what we get in Australia. Okay, so, and you're using this frying pan here.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need high heat to cook this, or it's okay? Just normal
high.
heat? High heat. Okay.
But because want to make this aroma.
Like with the wok hei,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, sure. And this oil you're using, just regular vegetable oil?
Yeah, vegetable.
Okay, great. And what sort of ingredients are you using here? This is a choy sum.
Choy sum, yes.
And kangkong?
No.
No, the kangkong is not. Okay.
Choy sum first.
Choy sum, okay.
And
The fish cake? Yeah.
Flour squid.
And
Crab and
crab and prawns.
Okay.
Okay, so those are for the Wat Tan Hor. Great. In Australia, Wat Tan Hor is just the hor fun, no bihun.
Only hor fun
Yeah,
only.
yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
In Malaysia, it's popular like that.
Okay, so you mix it together.
Yeah.
And the bihun, you soak it in water first?
Yeah.
And make it soft? Okay. Okay, instead of bihun, can you use meat or no?
No, only bihun and...
Only bihun and hor fun.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And this is a kicap pekat.
Yeah,
Is it?
kicap pekat.
Okay. So that's the
Make it.
thick soy sauce, or otherwise known as cooking caramel. So the fact you're using this pan shows you don't need a wok to cook this, yeah?
Yeah.
You can just cook it on a pan. And this is just one serve, is it? Or
What?
is it for one person only, or for 2?
1 person.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, then I put
Okay,
the
let's put it
plate.
on the plate. Here you go.
And then I bake a sauce.
Okay, great. So now you're just going to make the sauce and vegetable oil again,
Chop garlic.
chopped garlic,
Oyster sauce.
oyster sauce. Oh, smells beautiful.
Yeah. And some water.
Some water. So that's about 1.5 cups of water. Agak-agak.
Dalam satu portion.
Okay, sure. Instead of water, do you use stock sometimes or no?
I can. Also
Okay.
can stop.
Okay, sure.
After the boiling, I can put seasoning.
Seasoning. So this is like chicken powder.
Yeah.
Okay,
Stock,
cool.
soy sauce,
Soya sauce
salt,
and salt,
put seafood.
and then the seafood.
Seafood.
So this is a seafood Wat Tan Hor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why we use a potato stuff, because potato stuff make the sauce shining.
Shining, yeah, much
yeah.
more clear. Yeah. So potato starch is the most expensive of the different types of starches, but it produces a beautiful glistening texture and appearance to the sauce. How much do you use?
Just 1 tablespoon.
About one. Okay.
Okay.
So, and then you just turn off
Okay.
the heat right away and stir it in.
Can put the
So-
on the plate.
Great. So you don't stir it too much. You just kind of crack the egg, just mix it around. Oh, look, that looks amazing. Looks beautiful.
Okay.
Great. So what do you serve this with? Do you serve it with chili?
Yeah, chili
Okay.
cut and pickled chili. Together we serve with pickled chili.
Okay. So you've got the pickled chili
And
and also
Cut chili.
the cut
Okay.
beside chilies. Yeah. These are very big.
Okay.
Cool.
This one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. There you go. That's the Wat Tan Hor. Chef, there you go. They look amazing. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm here with Chef Ashraf again
Okay.
from the Atrium Restaurant at Travelodge Ipoh. And Chef, you're going to make Nasi
Nasi Goreng Kampung.
Nasi Goreng Kampung. Can you explain to me how is Nasi Goreng Kampung different from other types of Nasi Goreng?
This Nasi Goreng Kampung, we use a local spice.
Local spice? Yeah.
Traditional in Malaysia.
Okay, sure. Okay, I'm going to see because I don't usually cook nasi goreng that much, let alone nasi goreng kampung. And I can see you've got ikan bilis here,
Ikan bilis.
Ikan bilis,
Sliced chicken.
sliced chicken,
And kangkong.
and kangkong. Do you always use sliced chicken or can you use other types of protein? Prawn, yeah?
Fish cake.
Fish cake, okay, sure. Can you use ikan masin as well or no?
Ikan masin.
Not that common. Okay, I'm just checking.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. And nasi goreng, you're using what kind of rice is this? Is just it's just normal
rice.
normal cooked rice. You do you use overnight rice or you use that you can use fresh rice?
Overnight rice.
Overnight rice. Okay. Great. Cool. Let's see how it's done. So just some vegetable oil.
Put some garlic.
Some garlic.
Egg.
Okay.
Chilli,
Belacan
and
onion
onion.
as
Onion,
well.
okay.
Okay. Does it have limau kasturi in it? No.
Yes, include.
Okay, limau kasturi. Any sugar?
Sugar, no.
No.
Just salt.
Okay, that's all. Just the onion is like onion that's pureed or like.
Puree like.
Okay.
Blend together with
Okay.
chili.
Okay, but no garlic.
But no garlic.
Okay, sure. Great. And you've just added the chicken.
Yeah.
Now you're adding the rice. So this is about 1 cup of rice,
One
so
cup.
1 egg. And instead of kangkong, can you use other types of veggies or
Choy some.
choy some? Okay.
Some carrot can
Carrot. Cool. Okay.
and a little bit soy sauce.
Soya sauce.
Put kangkong.
The kangkong.
Okay.
Very simple. That's
Yes.
it. Okay. Interesting. Cool. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay,